This is Part 3, which is intended for API 1169, Pipeline Construction Inspector, exam takers. The following questions falls under welding and non-destructive testing. Select the one best answer. Time yourself to simulate testing conditions. The inspector's main role in welding inspection is to A. Qualify welders, B. Approve welding procedures, C. Verify compliance with procedures and standards, D. Perform radiographic testing. Answer: C. Verify compliance with procedures and standards. Welder qualification records are typically reviewed to ensure A. Proper equipment maintenance, B. Welders are trained and tested per code, C. Contractor's insurance is valid, D. Environmental permits are filed. Answer: B. Welders are trained and tested per code. A common NDT method used for pipeline girth welds is A. Magnetic flux leakage, B. Ultrasonic testing, UTC radiographic testing, RRTD, all of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Which standard is commonly used for welding qualification on pipelines? A. ASME Section 9, B. API 650, C. AWSD 1.1, D. ISO 9001. Answer: A. ASME Section 9. An inspector notices porosity in a weld. The proper action is to A. Document and reject per code/specification, B. Allow it if it looks small, C. Ignore if the contractor approves, D. Repair it themselves. Answer: A. Document and reject per code/specification. A welding procedure specification, WPS, must include A. Welder's signature, B. Essential variables like process, position, electrode, C. Pipe tally sheet, DNDE technician's report. Answer: B. Essential variables like process, position, electrode. Which welding process is most commonly used for pipeline girth welds? A. TIGGTAW, B. SMAW stick, C. SAW submerged arc, D. FCAW flux cord arc. Answer: B. SMAW stick. Radiographic film should be reviewed for A. Exposure, density, and defects, B. Pipe tally marks, C. Environmental permits, D. Welder signatures. Answer: A. Exposure, density, and defects. Which welding defect is caused by insufficient heat input? A. Lack of fusion, B. Burn through, C. Slag inclusion, D. Porosity. Answer: A. Lack of fusion. Preheat during welding is required to A. Speed production, B. Reduce hydrogen cracking, C. Improve paint adhesion, D. Eliminate coating defects. Answer: B. Reduce hydrogen cracking. Post-weld heat treatment, PWHT, is used to A. Relieve residual stresses, B. Increase weld hardness, C. Replace radiography, D. Reduce weld size. Answer: A. Relieve residual stresses. Which NDT method uses X-rays or gamma rays? A. UTB-RT, CMPI-DPT. Answer: B. RT. Ultrasonic testing uses A. Sound waves, B. Electromagnetic waves, C. Visual inspection, D. Gamma rays. Answer: A. Sound waves. Magnetic particle inspection, MPI, can only detect A. Surface breaking and near-surface defects in ferromagnetic materials, B. Internal voids in non-ferrous materials, C. Coating holidays, D. Soil compaction defects. Answer: A. Surface breaking and near-surface defects in ferromagnetic materials. Liquid penetrant testing, PT, is best suited for A. Detecting internal flaws, B. Detecting surface cracks, C. Measuring wall thickness, D. Detecting porosity inside welds. Answer: B. Detecting surface cracks. Who determines acceptance criteria for weld defects? A contractor, B. Owner's inspector, C. Applicable code and specifications. D. Welder. Answer: C. Applicable code and specifications. A weld map is used to A. Track environmental inspections. B. Record weld locations and identification. C. Verify pipe coating type. D. Replace NDT reports. Answer: B. Record weld locations and identification. API 1104 covers A. Welding of pipelines and related facilities. B. Coating applications. C. Cathodic protection. D. Safety standards for excavation. Answer: A. Welding of pipelines and related facilities. Which welding variable is essential and must not be changed without requalification? A. Electrode classification. B. Inspector's name. C. Pipe tally. D. Contractor's logo. Answer: A. Electrode classification. Welding consumables must be stored in A. Plastic buckets. B. Manufacturer recommended dry storage ovens. C. Any available toolbox. D. Open air for ventilation. Answer: B. Manufacturer recommended dry storage ovens.